Yama nyina watch ma kwa babiem say uguso hwe bedwam on Adom TV. Live on DSTV channel 280, Go TV channel 119, Multi TV. Diggy Box is here live and so you're streaming on all social media platforms from Facebook to YouTube. Maybe I could be a search for Adom TV. Adom TV. Share link, you know, your comments watch there. Na yabajina can carry amount every pem. Begin the akwesi insia. To begin the week with and the month, and the Minister for Local Government, Chieftancy and Religious Affairs. In fact, local government over 260 districts under supervision. They started Chieftancy, another institutional, a year on its own. You know, over 80% of the population belonging to a religious affairs. Yes, I did so about the council. In fact, he's ruling Ghana. Honorable Ibrahim Ahmed. Honorable Cordia.
There's only one ruler in Ghana.
Me watch your honorable.
Thank you very much, me all.
I'm saying me say share last year they share Thanksgiving as no. That's just Monday.
Yes, and December.
This year.
Before the election.
From him,
it wasn't in November or December.
I think December.
Yeah. But some about.
Constant to say.
Nya minimum pie bounty consensus de boko. By a besha say, my main power kwanya so na me namase.
Okay, that's
fact. Send Matimia by a minister. My first radio station was Krahaya Adom FM.
Wow.
TV station Adom TV. Nti ye sha say na no pa bia na yeba. Nti send Ghana for at your voice. Na ya catch president so I na ya be minister. Me ye wait for the first time I was me damase na me boma baso.
Yes, it does.
Na nke was say ye pre-arrange ye answer na maba. Because I had no me mother station. With me sana me friend no. The ba kra mo na mo man kra for any we asi ehun ye.
Yeah, that's it.
Thank you very much. Any adwuma pa mo ye. Ana le to so mi no. Me hono mo te mo hwa Adom FM pa ne Adom TV.
Yeah.
Nti oh bedwam Adom TV bedwam nti bebre wo ho a me dey Ahmed no kro mu ni. Yeah. Bedwam ni. Oh me ta ono bo me ta hwa Adom TV bedwam nti mo fans also.
Yeah, that's it.
And ama yatimia build a base of people la mo tie. And mo no kware die no. So sometimes be brepe baby a no kre ni da.
Yeah.
Do kan no kre na o kwa say oh na go de o kan no kre. Ni nyina ye Adom TV.
Yeah, that's.
Yeah, da ma say matimia ma ya duru a. Me mpeso aso ne me ministry nso boni bia ni ho.
Yeah,
Me do mo so ase. Em say nye time for ne di kind me buy. Be 4 years no mo chem na me call bana. The time ne bana nyina I have to be grateful to them.
Yeah.
So that time no class captain cry ka say to mama anko to mama. Na me am hwe me wa me di gira say obeye yeah 17 years ago. Now where we started 21 years ago.
Yeah.
All these things no mo ana mo boa mo correct na ye ka bi na ye ti bi. We try FM so now I can't no be after one I was the okay let's say your correction once and once
yeah
buying all this no baby anyame dia be
yeah the yamias
thank you
Ebenezer e say baby kwam ko for the banda kraka odi ho
and exactly send a bana consistency e chemu 2012
okay
and I'm call bana me about 2009 for time
yeah
the time why a year or so time decide
sure
third election to no first and second round third round na
yeah we decided
but me buy no mo can so mo ye me minister and then papa can say there be misa until o ma mention parliament adwuma
okay
until mention parliament adwuma na afi na minister na ba aba
ministry what to say
oh
e ya defo from am
akwasi no kwasem ni me ministry no kwan itself no e old and new
yeah
na old and new old because local government ministry there na wo
sure
na any sanitation na wo ho na any year mark fund bia wo nti na wo ho as ministry of local government na sanitation no can because all over the world sanitation no a municipal or district assembly's job
yeah
and eba ya kokokoko ba ya na Mpensenpensenmu akufa Dubai no chain NOT development authorities frame it is zongo ministry frame it is sanitation ko kan water one air water and it is regional reintegration so a frame nti ekoye kiti the old local government ministry
okay
2024 we are to about change no buy no ana Mpensenpensenmu John Mama buy no ka say there be e was say local government who come monthly so I'm so much to adwuma ni wa ombe adwuma wo krampo asika ni wa ombe because omo functions no bebre ya titi e dia because government flagship programs nti yen kan ni nyina mom na yen fa sika ni nyina enkomo mu no mu ntimi nye sende na monthly adwuma no TFS no na ma gidigidi bia ba form na nipa ni nyina nto ankase omu nyina to aba betna Accra nti Omayedi regional reintegration no count, sanitation no count, development authorities no count, chieftancy and religious affairs no so account. It is a huge ministry. And na ekobasa nti ama busy ankasa ewo. Eno na ka ma ka se ohun me wo ha ache no. And na to be honest with you, that architecture of Ministry of Local Government, Chieftancy and Religious Affairs na Mpensenpensenmu ni so ade hunu no. It is the bedrock of our development. And until now, Okasa knows you, Minister no rule Ghana.
Yeah.
Not necessarily ruling Ghana. It's only President Mama and rule Ghana. No, none is what they no. And Okasa, ese ye cha ahimfonaja.
Okay.
Inti yen for moment the center stage of a development.
That your decentralization.
Ye cha ye religious bodies. No say Ghana about 80% of Ghana for religious.
Yeah.
Between 71 to 80 religious. The rest, about 17% Muslims. The rest are
other religious groupings.
But the Ghanaian by nature are not religious. Inti say oh yeah development. Not religion is a culture. It's a way of life. Now say nipa o say oh me yeah development na on kanwa. Which culture are you going to develop with? Inti yen fa omu nyina mra. They should all come on the table. And with the new local government ministry, Chieftancy and Religious Affairs, no, yeah, the development agents are on the table. All hands on deck. That is the shadow name of the ministry. All hands on deck. The religious affairs hands are there. The chieftaincies hands are there. The government officials, means the district assembly, their hands into the tripartite body. So it will deepen transparency and accountability. Na enko say obi abebo na bra wa Accra ha. Na odi no akodom amanyoku bi party no wi ne ye se wo na wo ye mansene krachi. Okotena ho a afi onu na so me na me ye bo me gina wo ma president. President so ti Accra. Omo ahimfo, omo asofo nom, omo we nom. Sika ba o se o sika mai. Na obi anso ni tumi a okwa. So all those things are now going to be on the table for everybody to see. And you will see a different form of governance. Okay,
so what you are starting from sanitation, Yemshe. Oba e krata be na de gya wo. O say so e de ma me sisi da brother pa mo krata be kan ho. Enye sir.
Ni nyina kan ho.
Ni nyina be kan. What is the state of Oman sanitation? You obeto ye to say.
Honestly speaking, on say sanitation any works and housing and an boom. Into ye ministry no na western water resources no. E call western housing. And a sanitation na nkasa back to local government. And as ma Mrs. Abnada Mpensenpensenmu awoken. Se wa ho odo nanone odo river ni Accra Academy sa drainage bia edawo any agobloshi sa kole no drainage no and now but it was in 2 contracts. 2 contracts because who can in Aboma $350 million.
That contract?
Yes. And that's $350 million, a more $200 million NAD can buy. And it's $200 million, not and yet total purposely for sanitation. Wholly completely for sanitation. But not component B and a for sanitation. And a component B a for works. And a B
water resources.
Water resources. Ena aban no koyi emu $65 million. Say or the koye COVID buy and or the koye COVID fight. Na sa $200 million we nyina ba the year 2020. In any 2020 elections no COVID ni nyina ekohye. So you could imagine the kind of things that happen. But on a very serious note, we are diving well into it. There's a team going through those things. Our medium findings every brain. Because now can't yet na yati. Me or technical team.
Okay. They are reviewing.
We are going through.
Sir, no see they cater for
sanitation. We are going through, even though it's at the court, but we are going through all the processes. Send the ubisa me. Na Matimia did the actual funding no amount. And now 2024, another funding. And this is like the part the year you no. And obi also sanitation or no sika ne wo. Nti na ma sanitation no obi ani ekodawo.
Okay.
Nti ema the sanitation work in itself no esofire. Nti eno na ma gutters no nyina eye choked. A rivers no nyina eye choke. Nti se wo hwe se nsuo bi toy. Nsuo no to wie na ma water bodies no kura ntimi flow enko see no. Then the water came back. Into where mansin no bebre wo a obehu a ti say Adom FM ha say obehu na kwan we ayema na can't me but that was the cause because now ma attention nyina eni nyina akọ sanitation into na ma obi ahu no say the sanitation was a business na ma Zoom Lions for 2 years now almost yentua onoka into there were a lot of things into one year you some people and Zoom Lion yen adwuma for 2 years now, we are doing a yentua oka. Obeda ye ojuma. Ati obeda ye. Internal concentration resources no enko. Eno mudi $450 million in so e buy. Say eno so yensa approve
ahead of 2024.
Ahead of 2024. And in parliament they can say udi last year election udi $200 million buy. 2024 election udi $150 million. Say ya unu de mudi $200 million year we yem pass. So the minority work out and go ahead a pass here. Into your buyer, so say last 2 weeks. Ye near soldier for call circle. And I call Odona. And I call Lafa Kaswaho. You call all the drainage area because of Mpensenpensenmu task force are many Western housing and a new. Say yem sanitation no any works even though what check ministry no. By yem functions no be brave overlap nti yen corner yen ko hwe say yen 48 engineers chaired by the distinguished Standogbe and e ko hwe say adwuma na nyina nti ye ba ho no and ehun say the contract no was signed in December 2024.
Which of the contract?
Sir, drainage 150 million now.
Okay, the certain drainages
dredging and construction of drains. Baby, unse ukwa kraka. Ura kraka demia. Webe yo say ho nyina ye playing ground. But enim ni na say ne circle odo na we. Sa na kraka demia enim ni nyina from Kaneshi Kolinum Kaneshi na ebefa eba chimota na sa na enim ni tie.
Okay.
But ya ye eno edi slate concrete atosoro. Enti unam ho a unhu nti nsuo no namase ba na gota no ye kitwa nti na wo say ye buy mo say de be nsuo ni nyina be eno nti na ma udru kaneshi wa nsuo to a dru e bia be say na yira faso because gota no form de enu sa
enti ho nyina na sika wo say de ye
sa $150 million ni nyina that's the contract nti and the contract was signed in December 2024 ya yeto abawie ya. And the contractors came to site in January 2024. And then was a year call
January 2025.
January 2025. And was a year call na the pressure come on. Ever say how things are going. Year call. And also the chairman of the committee, our Standogbe, extensive report. Now circle dredging. The dredging was say announce 4 years.
Okay.
I say announce
a year Ododian.
Ododian also call circle baby a she no.
Yeah.
Ushe any say ye twi efine woman nyina say that nso no to a bit me flow up to the sea. And nso ye 4-year contractor omodi ama obi a ono nso oye. Nti ye money
mo ba na the ama contract na some ba na mama
$150 million no.
Na ewom.
Ewom.
And so contract nso ye December 2024.
And the contractor no cost.
And I said, "Sa budget muji too much." Sa musika no. The end of December 2024 ne sign sa contract.
And non thing I can say a report wo ho. Na ye no man pe na kwa transit. So contractor ntimi nje na ye hwema. Mo say ye two committee na ye ka say we me committee member. Ade no wo hwemu na wo hwie ya men ka no bedwam. Enye sa say you are prejudicing the actions. In the bedroom na ye ka say na say okura wa take side is nti recuse ho. Inti nam na nkasa unya kwan na waka bi.
Yeah.
Inti we further but the me patch and say in total $350 million. And I ye dredging way any say World Bank facility. A secondary. That's where
contract and yetria ni sika.
Say all the payment certificates ban yetria.
Okay.
And we are here to
sika ho abetimia fulfill that.
World Bank sika they normally buy that.
Okay.
Until say ban wait me catch say no 5 be the COVID normal ntia.
There was a ntia me say mpese be kwa kwoti so chine bi na contract aso gina bi ka say ene ntwa me ka ntina meje man.
Ntia o ka World Bank sika na be e ko no na say Minister of Finance e questions answer. And a Minister of Finance when you adwuma na won tua.
Okay.
Nti clearly the contractor will be paid. Okay. World Bank adwuma na ye de ma won de no de ne sika no e dawo.
Yeah.
Nti wo ya na ya tua nti won timi nye de aye ntimi tua because conditions be bri e wo ho. But adi ba ko am hu say then na is passes that and a contractor no start here. You see containers are SC chen no. World Bank for say say more compensation. And sana omama ya meanwhile they are illegal containers.
Okay, tibo omo no mo CC squatters like squatters wo gata na no.
Omo no ye
no see e tu omo e mo mpatasika.
Squatters.
World Bank the can the facility.
E kan na magana engineers ni nyina aka say gise ye mom na uka say wo ko mu anso nsem wo mu.
Okay.
Nsem wo. Na what to asase no be the container akosi wo be sit down now say gise otu Americans na matu container. Bro, if na okasa mbra. Nsem ho ba wontumi nka.
Ezi, what will be your approach in the fight of sanitation?
In the fight of sanitation no on nanka ochina second.
Okay.
And I launch National Sanitation Day.
Okay.
Nanka omampenyene na kobewa be launch Sanitation Day no ewo forecourt of the State House. Original nanka ye State House Manchabuna.
Okay.
And na ekoba se Manchabuna na ye a bit restricted. Cars no bibri onwa no manya be we park. The enye no open space. Cars benya be bia park na program so. Onse ahimfo beba ministers beba nipa bibri president nankasa because of the seriousness with sanitation on one anka oba belanchi. Until 2 days ago no sama yanyan in say yes ka oba lanchi but said DCs no are not at post.
Yeah.
2 yenye extensive sensitization ewo ho. Nti wanhwa na wakoye na akoye say aban a otiso no na wanya na bibi na woye. It doesn't want it to be like that. Nti yen carry Ghana for nyina. Nti yempe communication strategy na yemma yene media for yene mo enye partnership said the beya muso mo de mo ho ebejim na yenko all the palaces na ahimfo nso emfa wo mo nso enyim na yenko to the churches and the mosque nti your 4 Sundays in the Sunday ba ko bia na yebeko asora be na yakobo mu amande na Friday na yakobo mosque no na yakobo mu amande in all the nation, all the regional capitals. In the monthly crash for Nyamba and regional ministers and the sector ministers will take that on board. Okay. Inti on the 3rd of May 3rd. Okay. Next say the actual sanitation Inti it's likely to be 2 days ahead of May the launching will come. Next May 3rd, the first Saturday in May Next the National Sanitation Day so. Now you need to procure some logistics. Okay. A beer shovels, wheelbarrows, dustbins, beer. And that's we normal now they go. And any environmental service providers, you know money also Asia. Okay. And almost nanka we crank a be and almost agree say compactors, need logistics, cars, they will bring everybody. They will bring them voluntarily.
National Sanitation Day no. A day.
The national, the rains are about to start. Yeah. Until the actual National Sanitation Day is to do emergency evacuation
Okay.
All the unamwa you yourself you testify say baby be ho na ya to fin be go and all those things will be our ba here na nya no what go tell into the national first one no emergency evacuation of all the refuse were cho got the silting ye be ye ni nyina na kro no ye ni nyina so e be san asesa na kro no wa ye emu ate
okay
ye no we are it's going to be a monthly affair every month biano that exercise will go on
okay
ye we eno so a ye wo bibia ye frɛ no sanitation gas ye budget for about 77 million by the Minister of Finance na ne ho kire no ka say and the man no mreka kra but that will not stop us from doing the national establishing the national sanitation
you say no approve mamo
the national sanitation day na nkasa approve 5 million Ghana cedis na mai
out because
into
77 am the coin no
the 77 day on the one approve bi kra
one approve bi kra
and no was for the sunny gas
okay
but
there was sunny gas and so
sanitation gas sama
I say back
back to ensure compliance
sama na wo fear ni abodi awura fie what ni sama ho no
precisely oba
omo say back
ye de omo ba
omo for office so ana afi na be fa mkrofo
afi na ye ba be fa no budget na di ba ya finance minister ka say de ye manu mre
so it means that this year the ain't me
everybody this year we will make sure so July obesan ba media review enti ye ni manse for no be ka
wo so ba beje kakra ka ho ana
oh na adwuma wo ha wo nya adwuma ejuma wa akwesi so be ejuma nti manse biet mi fa nipa 20
okay
nipa 20
okay
ye wa manse 261
yeah
obi amfa just nipa 20
okay
akwesi nti onama na oba no se bola bigu ha na je se money no wa asemo
yeah
okona on se bola bigu joy fm animo oni wa asemo
yeah
and ebanisa it will just put some conscience awareness in Ghana and say hey ade ami enya sa we are getting off the track enti ye mfa nipa ne bebre ono mfa ne de no ma no ye betimi afa ne casual form
okay
enti manse na ye di minister for finance or the 80% of Wausika common fund ebro
okay
ena watimi ya the 88.4% ena eko manse no na ye ka se fa emu kekre bi na fa nipa 20 pe in the casual way na tuya muka na omunye enforcement of environmental bylaws ni sanitation bylaws emma ewo mansene mo ha akosi ense dey
okay before say the finance minister be approve the general budget for local government ministry for this sunny guards mo hwe nim say mensi
bia
for nipa 20
and now we issue
precisely
and now we issue that guideline as a sector minister
because it's monya 80% of the common fund
or 88%
88% of common fund 80 famu kakra
etwe na twe muka ahia no mbaji
na ebeso de ebeso
20 no akwesi otiye na ka se kwaye mansene krachi mi no africa mansene abo mu bota ya mu se koto mu ba interview obekona omasa live a friend say local government training institute
okay
ubisa ni say na uba sanitation uba da obekasa be fa san gas na fe de ama wa wie na kofa
okay interesting and for the first time what say Mpensenpensenmu Muhammad so sa de sama baby na or starting a fee to mention be nipa 20
to 30
20 to 30
yeah 20
okay so they still in here
30 at least
okay
you pese a burden on them
on the assembly
okay and na ultra no in the casual form until by the time national
main budget
no be ba to force be ka say oje atumo no
okay
na chese nipa 20 to 30 na wo fire no omo omutimi ye no ni momu na say you mechanize them omo omuntimi ye na omukọ ha omuni binu ye kana na ozo we de masino no we de meyere no maja no na say omu de mu nkotena fie
ni afa ofra ba
na ya afa foforo na afa correct ones am bit
okay
so say they will be on probation that's the correct word to be used ya fa 20 to 30 na o probation uko na o de o na o ye antimesia uhu obi ambobo uko na bola wo ha ontimi nchi o mu a o de na ese ukufi ba wa obekọ be salefo amanko a ni ma me kura de bola no go o se mama macho and the say onu benya na appointment letter that is the way to go udi eno nso eto nche a ye ni nse ye wo waste waste na ye kano.
Yeah.
The collection.
Yeah.
And na evacuation and the treatment. And the recycling hono so I was say ema ye ne eko. And the eno na ye ka say ye ne Zoom lion nom eka. And people misconstrue that one. So the kind of sanitation infrastructure Zoom lion aye. About waste recycling, solid waste treatment, liquid waste treatment, and recycling of plastics. Wakweni.
Okay.
Wakweni.
Zoom lion.
Yes, I'm telling you, wakweni. Wakweni. The state doesn't have that infrastructure. And now, upra now the go now one recycler. Ebesaba back. A constant job. And the state must make sure that we have regent partnership with the private sector. Say near no unse unam kwano so sisi a previously na nka obekọ mpoano na plastics no gugo
sure
but say unam kwan so a amanfo asa esisa
cotton
echichire e de agu omoton one omoton ama no the recycling companies enti yakoye nim in that regard enti ye say ye ma ye hu so aka ye solid liquid waste treatment and no na inti ye wo sa no na ye say ye ni omutrase.
Okay.
What do you think that we can do for you and what can you do? But it cannot be said that bia ye pra na yakotoagu ye pra na yakotoagu. Inti eno nyina kan sanitation issues no ha.
Okay.
Aye be. Ena uko mansene bia omu nyina sanitation issues no nyepe wo. Fia akrafo ye be no uko wenchi a omu nye sa afin no.
Sure.
Efia kumasi be ye no uko mampo a omu nye sa afin because kumasi problem ni issues esu chen mampo.
Yeah.
Ena kumasi problem ni issues esu chen be kwai.
Yeah.
So untimi can say sanitation you know omu nyina entuape.
Okay.
So these are issues are ye environmental service providers no ya engage you. In fact ya share be 2 times.
Okay.
Ena ye sanitation gamma ne kokma ne we. In fact ya series of meeting and sanitation. Omo brief ya share am I challenging. Akwati, let me tell you, we have what it takes to fix the sanitation problem. Nepano human resource na ewo. But the problem is the mental orientation.
Okay.
And a whole and a behavioral change, you know, media no be lead the change.
Okay.
Se mumu lead the change na ebema mental shiftness no aba. Na obia won say sanitation issue no ye nyina ye adwuma. And eno na ye say ye ba be take mu on na ye no mo aye collaboration.
Okay.
Na say sanitation jingles ni adverts ni sa no mana ye no. Na ye ne mu media for na ye. So that you have a segment e wo mu show so certain bia no at least every day you do this to support Madagana.
Yeah.
Na ekobane say yes ye wo some kind of adverts being normal kakrekre bia in the area of the ministry. Na yes you also Adom FM we otme boy on the different yes so yemfa we enko. It's going to be some kind of symbiotic relationship with the animal.
Okay, so the minister adeba kwaya na ye tati say Environmental Service Providers Association ESPA. Can see ya adwuma abantwe ya kabina na oboso se oba ye na Zoomla ba be say 2 years ye ntwe mo. How are you as a minister going to deal with this challenge?
And no many finance minister naka and no can say outstanding debt as state no edi Zoomla on 1.2 billion 1.2 billion Ghana cedis.
Aban the Zoom Lion ka 1.2 billion
1.2 billion Ghana cedis.
Hey,
I don't know about 2 years. I'm telling you. Only and the Zoom Lion, I say people look at the year proper no.
Yeah.
On say ufre ha say uyam kawa uko washroom.
Yeah.
Uflash a hena yeko.
Some for
Baby a air kono obi na treat you Zoom Lion na treat you.
Yeah.
And the okase me maja me treat bi omu a uflash a o close a uflash a enko. I cry it will come back ube ho ana ha nyina ayema. It send your safety tank na ayema. I can no say uye no ofie na waste cars no be twia. Omodi kogu eponom.
Yeah.
Ni nyina Zoom Lion amaya ajai. Ono ankasa akoye liquid waste treatment plant. Omo bafa or baby omodi kogu. Na watene no aye bi fertilizer, aye bi jabidi.
Yeah.
You understand? And all those things a facilities are odi ye ni nyina no e wo ho a ese aban ye den etuanika ho so but people who say ono angasa no the marketing side ontimi nya we nyina mane pa ho say ne mi ya nti aban no ye kazum layo a omomu prapra na amanfo ehom and that is where the challenge is but as a state it was say you move from throwing dumping this our waste fecal waste and all those things in the sea.
Yeah.
But insuo no ma insuo nam na ye nyina na ye wi.
Yeah.
Insuo no ma bebre na dware wom. Insuo no ma na di ye no ma bebre. Insuo no the same eponsuo na ye di toilet no gum no. Sa eponsuo no ko teshe eno ana ye the desalination e ma ye sign no. So what kind of people are we? So that's why the government stopped in 2016. President Mama and the man stop saying nyina no mo ye waste liquid waste treatment plant no. And ye such desalination you know because in fact so be ajanam bia no engu eponomu bio. So these are some of the things that I was say mama ho no nyina ye dem ehu but aban bia ho kire na wan so sanitation side ho no metimi aya adjustment bio nti ho no ye ntua and say wo hwe say efi no course ma even as far back as 24th October na cholera started free cholera started free Cape Coast abada about 58 districts in this country. Emu 581 and a cholera chium. There na cholera. Say ensure any ajanambia besha say to toilet agwana ensure ato na agusu na sonia akwa fura ensure nipa enum na nipa sanum cholera chiu. So all those things in the cholera the efine diba. Na cholera no ba no aban koto nro vaccination. Say ye vaccination enye vaccination issue. Eye bola na wo de agu ajanam bia kan wan so togu so a e ko wura nso na wonum no ene de cholera no bai. So how do we fix it? This ye di National Sanitation Day no ba. E di monthly bia enye environmental bylaws and we ensure compliance. In this Sani gas na sama na ye di omoba no. Sa monthly na wo ye no, o bylaws na why ya wo di check sanitation no. Sa microphone ene be compliance. No dem o munchu na ka say wonkom. You not conform. Ube hu say abofra na one ne kunu ni papa ne suman. And these are some of the innovations I did.
Okay. It is so this 1.2 billion Ghanas where zoom lie on Kwandia.
And yeah make me aka say zoom lie on there. Because modono once I call the baby a hospital wasting wasting. And na once one Jubilee House.
Yeah.
Always in ba please. One parliament. Eba zoom line ho.
Jubilee House we
ni na ba zoom line. One Supreme Court judiciary judges ministry tem ni nyina ko. E na one parliament. Waste ni nyina e ho na ni nyina e ko. Enti wo hwe the kind of sanitation architecture na as on man Ghana ye wono ka ye dretchery.
Yeah.
Na untumi fa Nigeria kran compare. Most of the whole of the entire continent of Africa obi any Ghana dey.
It comes to sanitation.
Exactly. But ya jama compliance enforcement na Rwanda no munyina san ye ho so ko Rwanda untumi fa we into e compliance. And a compliance no we obi be fa or the court treatment. Enti sa no ma nyina na uhwa ye pese National Sanitation Day no we a ye di sa normal we nyina account so enkoye aprapra keke na we say National Sanitation Day nti aprapra nko na ye pra akose nti sa
okay nti yeguso any the Minister for Local Government, Chieftancy and Religious Affairs MP for Banda constituency Honorable Ibrahim Ahmed eneguso na etwe enkomo for the first time what to say and sama ya na ye nim dada no President John Dramani Mama Ban SOSan e de babiem say be betimi delay with sanitation. Other than the appointment of MMDCs Achesa.
Akwesi ache.
Ache papa.
Akwesi 2021 now on your man way.
Ache papa.
The chair power Ghana Hanedi how many months?
You there are so on ache so we nwie.
You finished me. No question.
Ese we nwie.
Akwesi dey. No, because in 2021, this is September.
Yeah.
But we there, Enukra na aban no to aso no.
Okay.
Because mansene krachi ye no. Unya the post man pa pe ujia.
Edi.
It is the power, electricity power. Akwa so bibimu.
Yeah.
Say uyi power na free one be shock waku.
Yeah.
In the answer now the power no be shame no e also ye ahwe.
Yeah.
In the ahwe no na ye ya. Ye gusu no. Because the party in the baby no akọ friend say we DC.
Okay.
Sa the pan say be produce so ye kromfo. Oba no wiawa no ka say uji to me na no ne woku. In the answer now the post to me ebe man nipa no. Okay. Ye nhwehwemu a ese wo ye nyina ansa na wo de to me na ma no.
Yeah.
And that is clearly what we are doing. Because unya demand pe ujia ono bekon. System no ne wo bekon.
Okay.
Ono system no so be. Wan hwe na say party no. Enti wo hwe ye die ya ye ba power. President promises for the first time obe forming the cabinet 14 days.
Yeah.
After swearing.
Yeah.
What me ye.
Wo di so yeah.
Oye wie no na aka council of state. Ebeboa na mana for mini boards and corporations. And also 11 February. And also otimiye.
Yeah.
Oye no wie enso na aka manse na krachi for na SAU mu.
Yeah.
And also oma before say umbe so emi na ya ma 3 regions for no interview so mumfa nipa 333 emra.
What no dey say interview so.
Eno na problem no wono. On say kane no answer na Rebecca say regional vetting no vet the constituency applicants no na ye de nipa free Accra.
Okay.
Akotena mu bi.
Yeah.
Inti nipa no free Accra akotena mu bi no ebe ma regional chairman and regional executives no enye so domineering to overshadow the sayings of the other lesser position holders. Okay. Inti ekoba ne sa perepere ye be ye adwuma na bia ye ko regional elections no me regional chairman wo akwase wo ye campaign tia.
Okay.
E wo consensus o na ye wie na ye ka say regional vetting no ye mi na me ye chairman na akwase wo pie mani mu a say wa disqualify ho ansa na wo
enyo bi ne kumanju
wo pie no ho mani ma
osumia na mba so ye
me ma jai maritime I don't want to be minister again sana akwa bi no kana say sa wo ko school o ye adwuma no wi anam na president go for board this obey any minister and omko ono a wi anam no nim say ase dun ketia no wo ase dun ketia anto vetting committee no oba omko ase dun ketia fie ko pa na chewa osi na say vetting ni trese ni pa ye from fire fa no me so nim say wo ye from ade na say osi wo ye sere we ye onu abruni ezo onu abruni ezo obo ano osi say me nu abruni no ye from fire me ko fa
yeah on so man it just say wamuna a interview from the district to the region as an urban
district no interview anko
so
say mo ye mo try application no district
okay
no mo agini nyina say mo ye nipa 10 no mo di akọ baby kura nipa 40
yeah
baby nipa 31 baby nipa 23 into mo di 23 ni nyina akọ ma regional vetting committee
okay
no mo ayi mu 3 nipa 40 no mo ayi mu 3 nipa 10 no mo ayi mu 3 nipa 10 7 no mo ayi mu in the regional vetting committee ni chaired by the regional chairman na ye vetting Inti ekobasa no na akwa ese yamfa national rep ankotena mo nti na ma tension pa
build the buy ntimi afa national rep anko
sasa time no in fact report order no ko ye no anka so mumfa national rep ye say region bi am vetting fa shortly set
okay
inti emu ana mo bebo mi din be na me be ye minister inti be ye minister no na pressure a build the grounds on ka part no base no be breaki inti me won za me ka say there be Enfa consultant.
Okay.
No koye sa shortlisted 3 now region for no. Ediaba in all the 261 districts no. Na enfa consultants na onko he yem omuhu opinion pool. Okay. Okwa and not only NDC. We are looking for the suitability of the candidates, acceptability by MPP, NDC and everybody in the district. Okay. And consultants no buy no MPP for it is be 80% say omo per candidate way. NDC for 86% say omo per candidate way. Into Ukambuma that nepano on the also. Until we look at the suitability from both opposition party and the ruling party. Okay. Because ukoye DC ama afano no bi nyina e wo manse no. Yeah. And I say popularity no credibility e wo ho no. Eno na ma nepa endorse say you qualify to represent them. And MPP for ankasa ne say we da NDC ni ne ba be MC
yeah.
By NDC ni dia yempe NDC ni papa. That's it. Into opinion polls about global info analytics and
opinion polls no.
Yes, Musa Dankwa na ye.
Okay.
And I am ma omo an say Musa Dankwa yes into no money so money 3 no buy no ma wi. Into within 2 weeks na Musa Dankwa ye the entire country wi. And all the report no bre. And sana ye did the same 3 no so come BNI.
Okay.
And no musu ko ye
after Musa Dankwa no.
Yes. Musa Dankwa ye ni de na ye di ma BNI no so ko ye ni de no the report no buy.
Okay.
And ye di kan regional vet no. Into ukwa regional vet no ya ye obi 1 2 3. Okay. Number 3 no Musa Dankwa report number 3 ni na 90%. Global BNI de no so number 3 no so na 90%. But me wa no be that number 1. He said number 1 no na ye regional for no vetting favorite. But Osha the credibility and the suitability of the candidate from the grassroots no okay. Number 3 no. Ne hu be hia say ye be national vetting committee. National vetting committee no who be fa global info analytics na wa fa BNI na wa fa regional vetting na wa sample nipa na ba be gina boni na mo interview no na mo hwe no ansa na mo de na my na dia akoma president say we these are their ratings in the end ma 4 layers.
Okay, so as we speak out of the 261 districts and now no the most 72 nearby.
Correct.
Aka 189.
Me know okay about 5 regions 189.
Aka 100 yeah, aka 189.
About 100 already.
About 100
already.
Districts already.
About this week here be
about 100 districts
already.
And now be na Ashanti region kan ho.
Ashanti region the omuguso mu ye.
Omdu Ashanti region.
David omu we half aka half. But they are contemplating say yemfa half no mbra. And then we are now.
So far near
Ashanti the biggest in the country.
Sure.
Ashanti and Eastern omu
yeah, okay.
Central omu
okay.
Nti Ashanti no mo ye naka Ashanti Eastern so no mo guso.
I think we
the Greater Accra na ye last.
Greater Accra.
Ne be last.
Greater Accra be last.
Be last.
Baby so as why yi baby me one no.
Not necessarily like that. On say Ashanti region now mean this week you maybe Ashanti region.
Okay.
But more we have. But the problem was should we mention the half?
Oh, okay.
And like I said there be yentwen. Into them no ka say obi ahye ne quote gina. Medina what did open me you adi. Open me you adi.
Na say dem akwasa akoye oba ne be ma na.
Oh, but normally Veti na me crampo me for me committee no.
Okay.
Me no control committee. No say me the way I do man things. Me I'm trained.
Okay.
And I still don't get any training me. And I'm proud of that. Or no me didn't because now what my adwuma de dia to bedwam mo bi ehun ye.
Yeah.
Is it ube chenyi no another attempt dey be buy no.
Okay, for this week.
For
this week, another list of 100 names.
Oh, another list of 100 names. And the only thing is sometimes with the list in the course.
Yeah.
Mpensenpensenmu so be na national security information be wo.
Oh, wow.
And oja.
Okay.
Ohwe yentwintwen we so. Yembo we. So we dey ma clear.
Ebi mu dey here was say out of the 72 nearby, am 5 anyway. Are they?
Okay. A man be baby can. A ma baby I hold baby or a ma.
Baby I'm hold here.
Baby or a ma. A baby baby can. Brekun say.
Bet me achieve the 30%.
Brekun say we are the same thing.
Brekun here.
Oh, also baby I no mo bomba or Bruno na Brekun
here.
Brekun East.
Okay.
Brekun. We baby bre na into enche obebo. Man be baby can.
But bet me achieve the 30% mark no.
No be regional. Also baby bre wo so oba an contest ya want me
confirmation
yeah. And na oba contest na disqualify na what me petition the National Vetting Committee. No more friend no. A vetting.
Very many opportunity no.
Memman so memman nyina petition. I'm telling you to be Uko region no more disqualify wa.
Yeah.
What me petition national vetting.
No.
No more fraud say.
Okay.
Bra betre. Na ya free region for say kwan be so na mo fa so am disqualify. But national vetting no free regional vetting say mass na mo ma ya no mo fa mra na ye hwe. Ni nyina ko mo. Eni nyina ka wo na ma delay na akwati delay na wo ka no buy no. You anko say national vetting no. In fact, the work that they are doing,
yeah,
me and Kasa, I'm proud of it.
Okay.
What? And now me say that what now?
Okay.
And now me hear nipa no ba. You bisa no question now. Me say questions na eba no emu edu. And now we to how will you mobilize revenue? Me cry me preemptive questions. You have been when yanko. We two questions no ha.
Okay.
On the way questions no for one line. Okay. Within 10 minutes, no my view. And within 10 minutes, no question. We two question. Now we have two question. Now we have two question. Let's say you. Sorry, because these are people like Omwako campaign. Name district bia. Into pure money be ready. Say they will ask you questions based on. And I be bring so it is a parliamentary vetting. Ya throw questions no free. Who grassroots they know it. And the kind of people are more for me that committee, from the presidency to the legislature to the how do we call it?
Judiciary.
Then judiciary, your executive, legislature, and party.
Oh, okay. Okay.
Party, general secretary, national chairman. Presidency, former deputy chief of staff and current governor of the president on governmental affairs. Okay. And a party, legislature, and also the longest serving member, Alaji Collins Dauda, okay, and a Bejrani former majority leader. And the
committee are huge.
No, it's a serving member powerful committee. I can't even talk to them to change their decision. I say, oh, dear, my fire report to me. The report to no brewa, the open no president Munkoye. Na cheze ye de ya ore ensa ye ba se wo de amaye na wa makru manage o fa we shame ye de shame wie na atem de bi ba mo hu se wo na wo ye na wo nim se obetumi aye de na wo de bre
eti regions there na what the 100 listener be nim
o menim say upper west, upper east, northern region, western region, and I think central region also.
Oh, okay.
Ebeka after say Enwaba na Ebeka Eastern, Ebeka
Ashanti,
Eastern Ashanti, Greater Accra. These three. Okay. And Ashanti so the committee is sitting. Okay. The committee is sitting through and by make me no mechanic chance so with me Ashanti na go fan kan because na ma tension no o Ashanti there nipa na ya there no anim say DC there. But I say there ma pressure ba. Me say ye nya homra is here. Ye ba beto aso. Matiase. Enko kese bi also di asa na afri. It's all about Ibrahim Ahmed, Minister for Local Government, Religious Affairs and Chieftancy. Chieftancy and Religious Affairs. Actually, was also and I member of Parliament Madishia what Banda constituency. We did the questions here. Yeah, then waba. Yeah, beto aso. It's a lot of messages are here, Minister. Say, please, good morning. Please kindly inform Honorable Minister that some local government staff who were recruited as far back as 2023 have not been paid. Now he is in office. He should please find out why and help get paid. We are suffering. I'm watching you live from Kwawu Interso. Greetings to Honorable Minister. Oh, sir. Oh, that's it. Why late? It's any what as a for when your MC. But Emma, well, I like to me a cafe batch of Ashanti region, but Ombeso movie in Yakano. Okay, no, the county. Funny thing, Asantima point. Tony Pana see what Breno. Ozi ya omehumi. Eti unyam so ya ko hu minister why Mr. Wada. Ozi Mr. na me pana na fo omehumi. Minister so po na fo ti ko na. Na dey dey enye silie. Ye man bre ni nyafa. Asante Mampo. Ye be pe be bi di na she. Asante Mampo MC as we speak. Ti aka se di betu dwa.
hwɛ no one frame na nyam na me vete so minister MMDC so mobile what will be their key performance index because mampani am yati asese Richard for there and na no ka kire CEOs no ese umodem bo e na be kire o continuity
eni na me na no nra manda
umodem bo so no bibi de be sisi akwam de atese we aboye we aboye about ministry am there na had be measure the performance of Abana MC for no
on say you key performance indicators. Sanitation is one.
Okay.
And a key.
Sanitation.
A one and a key.
So bet waswa.
Revenue mobilization. So on the property rate.
Yeah.
All along. Omudi boye chia. And a year man your phone so a total be a default.
Okay.
On say uji to now matima phone who near uji in the odia or
Sure.
So the apathy and the fatigue. Payment fatigue and apathy on the property rate for property for edge fagina among your phone.
Okay.
The see a second key.
Okay.
Third, this is no now we dice committee chairman. Oti mansin ono na woni nipa bebre bia na woni nipa bi kura eyaka. Ebi no mo aye we da say officer wanya power odi kwa akosho wo mu a.
Okay.
Eno so eye key. Your relationship and your respect for nipa na
okay.
Mpensenpensenmu so amayati as say that politics of insult, arrogance, and all those things. No, yen low, ye ego.
Okay.
Said the onwaye nidiam. Enti this, but we are making there are local government experts on key performance indicators. No. Any the guidelines for the disbursement of revenues are. Both central and local na aircon.
Okay.
And now we are now the corruption is easily seen at the grassroots.
Yeah.
Only mansin for no newo ho. Na woni sakre. E ba ya na wo yiri duku kura wasisa no.
Na me hira no.
Na me hira.
Ashiwo. Eso che ma me ya.
Enti e ba sape na say you are a candidate for reshuffle. All those things are going to be the job.
I then am because who the unfortunate for your ministry no. Who religious affairs. Religion so me ati say nyame na hire nipa. Nyame na ma nipa ye odefo. Eti nyame apagya na du DC di bre. Na bia obi aba be share oh all of DC we dey me mo akwa aba Toyota Land Cruiser yi. Na ye
I wanna say about be trend the odima o. Agwa bi na mudi mansini krachi mano ko wari bika o yes to mano no namfo o say nyame na hira nipa mbom
okay
but ye wo kwan nyame fa so hira nipa no na akwesi o say sika wo hoi se unya no woni kwan so ayede
yeah
ba unya no kwan boni so a wa nkaza is there me no ka say ye wo former appointees bibro mu now I'm telling you.
Udaina.
Sikane da hon so ayani say ndete no. Only the use adwinu peace ni ho ade am yeye o mu ahu ana. I'm not telling you. Inti amanyosem no uye no ne kwan so a wadwin mu fine.
We refer chairman na afida sasantuma for message ni ya dos me pacho. Minister say me catch that sasantuma for say. Asantemanpon de na yawie yeyi MC wa Asantemanpon mesrebo kema me bie no me nka message ba kema me bie no bi ba bia kwesisi ya me ti
na akwesi ukakura na me si mi ko ho apono kura mu bie ma me wura
mesrebo e dey na minister eke na say ono minister ko te committee kan ne yamfia ma kwesisi ya no kan eti say Asantemanpon yeyi MC yawie minister de akire me yeyi MC na wie ni pakro di wo ho until say bia mampani be ka se ensa ko hwem biem ne de ne di wo kata so minister de akire me se sie no on neighbor timisrem ada Asantemanpon for be srem ni diem ye MC ye wie why minister patriot
nti clearly speaking mampani na nkasa persona no
yeah
one of the key performance indicators because your de akire no asua ne odi kan nan
sure
and they say oh mampani ti say John Dramani Mahama Now no ankasa on info. Not so long ago, we saw how arrogance of power can lead to punishing you. Inti se ukona umbu ahimfo no. Umbu ahimfo no. Umbu asofo no. And all those kind of things, I say you are a candidate for reshuffle. Because you need ananom and a year jumano. You need asofo nom and a year jumano.
Okay.
The way you respect them, and no nebema almost feel free, I approach you with their development issues.
Okay. So back to your local government. As we no correct. See, I say the interior minister say more he be and you see na shen so dear as the number plate. Has it come to your attention?
Akwesi ye wo kwan a meme tinim fremam.
Okay.
And the interior minister bibisa na nko betwa mama.
Okay.
And ye wo kwan ye fa so ene ahimfo no kasa even if
okay
se sampo and na interior minister pese ochra ontimi mab abonten embe kan kekesa.
Okay.
You don't speak to our chiefs like that. Excuse me for that word. Intimi meeting fremam ba man ti se onu ankasa eka.
What friend?
Oh, clearly otie bibi won fremam ano akọ friends interior minister say no say implementation no na be ya asem.
Oni ahimfo ni bia kasa.
Obia ahimfo no bia enye complain so enkyere me.
Okay.
Ena akwasi nze by the contributions of the chiefs no. So we are manyonia e wo say ndie omoteso no e wo say ye hwahwa.
Okay.
Because normal bi wo ahimfo no ya don't look at the negative aspect of chieftaincy. Bibia there's no perfect society anywhere.
Yeah.
Bibia wo ne sinto but we show contribution where the state fails the chiefs continue. So chieftaincy nya ade say yetutu na se o bebre akrachifo bebre wa we talk excuse me to say we talk anyhow we share so yana
yeah
when the various head of states thought they needed a solution. When is this solution? And you for?
Yeah.
Otumfo ya wan. Oyo hene. Enti obi oyo hene bia no say respect no. Ena eno na ye culture o.
Okay.
Umpeo. That's our tradition. And it's part of it's inbuilt in us, intrinsic. Enye say ye benya no.
Quentin fee.
Debi. Enti uni ahimfo no kasa me as a minister I serve as an interface between government and the chiefs, but I know more kasa me careful. Ena ahimfo no say oti ahinsem ase a ahimfo no nka mra wo. Omunka ye mra no omunka ho. On say ye krachifo no bebre wa omunti ahimfo na ase. Constitution say parliament cannot proceed to make a law concerning chieftaincy.
Okay.
Without consulting the National House of Chiefs. And if parliament wants to proceed, parliament must produce evidence of consultation. Enti yebetimi ayembra fa bibia mba fa chieftaincy ho a parliament is caution.
O say no mudi nkomo ansa.
Say no mudi nkomo ye omka so mu mpran no ano no. There must evidence. Yes, chieftaincy ye the most powerful aspect. Constitution no kuna recognize it. Enti metiyo makonwa so na mi ni omu kasa I have that modicum of enti me nkoma order.
Okay.
Ewa abonten concerning our chiefs. Intimity sansem nzo. Nitini mfrema no manam zo bia na enye. But even if that is the case, an interior minister bekasa. BBC no ukona nanu manase na nanu BBC me say it is creating some kind of excuse me to say
increment man faye.
Yentimi enye proper policing of checking crime and all those things. Unu mukano kukuema. Give them the power. They will go and spread their news. You don't come to radio and say it. It means that radio phone be an house smarting.
Oh, okay.
But say on one gaza but TV say no chief can do this. Do you remember not so long ago? President sorry or say oh chon our channel. So and that's our president Norway. Emra ni kaso. Until dear, I was be careful.
Okay.
Be careful. And the president himself,
okay.
President Mama, and can't na you until I don't think say near material. No, I don't want to take it like a gospel. And even if that's the case, eye kukuwa mukasa eno ye fa ntodwa nti mintimi nkasa one kan.
Okay. So how was your ministry going to liaise with your chieftancy, the Anama for, to ensure say ade ba ko edi o manya eye galamsey? A bit nip to the bad.
Akwasi say light here asoi.
Yeah.
Say power no e source.
Sure.
Say uchi power no free mo e beso.
Eko.
Enso na nanom ahindie no tumi na omo no oman na age efro mu nsem. So how na nanom operate? Enu nti na ye ka say ye change section 63D of the Chieftancy Act. Na ye di tumi no amma na nanom in parliament. We have to do it.
Okay.
Say udi tumi no ma na nanom a na ti adent na otumfo de otimi e control galanse timi sake ahimfo no se wo wa ye galanse matu. Ohino na other chiefs no ntimi nye. Because otumfo from na wa ma within his jurisdiction what yamra. Okay. Yes, sir. Yeah. So if all other chiefs have that power of sermon, say uko na onenam wenchi na wenchi mahere to ninsa fro say minya wa ifi na wa ma na otiamra, he can control but what is that to me no friend him say ohene frɛ wa opa na wokɔ opa wonko na galanse for minister for lands and forestry atena ha forestry commission atena ha omo ama obi permit say onko ye prospecting ewo wenchi nipa no ye prospecting say John o say me man to me say onye prospect onwura forest no man ka say onko ye ya me fani crazy you see onu so ti akra ha
yeah
na nipa no kɔ na ne tumi a o samon say brahma himfi
yeah
no ka say min kwa onko u crashing 70
yeah
ye the en crashing 7 no ama na nanom tumi no abafom. So how can you query na nanom?
Yeah,
though there may be some said the muka say na nanom bi eye bi one na achi na na bi say oye galanse say na na bi ye bi now so unima see something, say something, do something, report it.
yeah
But udi no to ncha say ye di tumi no e ma na nanom na nanom tena o ma himfi na assign the responsibility mo mu say na nanom na ye nkuntia galanse na akwese you see a difference. I'm telling you see a difference. Let's change section 63D na ye ma power na nanom di sermon nipa to ahimfi no ye mfa ma na nanom say na ye kaza na nanom ye partner na ye fight galanse, you will see a change. You see a change. I'm telling you. Your culture and the change your development too. So who brought culture nasia, you don't expect to develop. I grow up in a yedi. Let's change it and you see something. Yeah, politicians. Yes, you to me we man and no more bechi ye nyina They are na makoye campaign akasati na na wa frema ifia. It is ambrai mayenye. Why should everything be politicized? Give it to them.
okay
And bring a caveat. Untimi emfa, you are not to use it. And I demand a mahine for nunkwao.
okay
And a caveat untimi
emfa mo dikro
Ye demand mahine for nkwao. So dikro sha mahine ase.
yeah
Say odi ubeye bibi na odikro pa. On be fa mahine na mahine na afro. Ofro na wankwa ase wati amra. You don't, every power is subject to abuse.
okay
Into the mahine for nunkwao. Akwesi, you will see some sanity and respect in our culture. But you reduce culture na ma kwa ya krachi. Yes, why you nya krachi sao. You nya krachi sa.
now what you say me Hajj village you know wako
Akwesi ma ko ba ko. Dem problem na wo.
wako national cathedral site maybe you say
Eno so ma ko ba ko problem be na wo.
yen to asunsi
Akwesi se sika wo ho dia say ibisi. Who see Diana sika wo
say mampani ehia you are a minister for religious affairs. Will you advise me say we should continue the building of the national cathedral? Response by Honorable Ibrahim. I'm remember mampani.
See baby a medri me catch ro mampani say me ni national cathedral for no. Wari fe ama me.
Okay.
Nti me ni omo nyina ahia ya first meeting.
Okay.
Me ni individuals are first meeting. Me ni omo as a group aye first meeting. Okay. Yes and be second meeting. And we vowed to speak out the truth to each other.
Okay.
Until say be we know.
Okay.
I should not be putting this.
So you are here to have a finalized decision
There will be a
National
final.
Cathedral.
There's audit going on.
Okay.
And the auditing, you fan so why should be preempting the funding?
But
Deloitte
okay.
group of Deloitte is auditing those things. Those things will come out.
But
until say about out no. Once the National Cathedral, we demonize it to the point to say, even if there's something proper in it, you can't say it. And the starting was also problematic. So even certain things outrun others. Inti ama say one we now will count when someone I will say you create problem for yourself. Inti yema audit fundings no emra. Na many more engagement no so emra. Ansa na ya trans inti ye ne dem. Ebe he fa na bibi ko yi, he fa na bibi to chima. Say one yes na me so as a sector minister. Me betna wo ade no manye ne ye kura say ni say akwasi. Inti china ufre mpanyimfo say omombra na onye ya. Would the respect be there?
But do you think you say as a nation you hear a national cathedral?
I can see
on a personal view.
On a personal, if I had my own money, I can build a national cathedral for the states. Let me tell you, me sitting here, you know I'm a Christian, I'm an elder. Who call me Mpensenpensenmu? It is something I'm part of doing. Roman, in my 3,000 blocks. And yeah, this is what I use my money for. Roman, 3,000 blocks. Munsi, mission house. Assemblies, 3,000 blocks. Pentecost, 4,000 blocks. Apostolic, 3,000 blocks. Almost all the churches.
Okay, so on record.
Presby.
Honorable, yeah. A church elder or Pentecost.
Yes,
Pentecost called 4,000.
I was Presby. And some Methodist. Me taught private car Methodist. I taught private Edison. Private car Highlander. Pentecost. These are things. Me be a minister. My first 9 months salary, me 3 months Emma Pentecost, me 3 months Emma Muslims, me 3 months Emma me traditional council. That is me. That's what I believe in. Okay. But have I mentioned these things to you? Then. But from 2004, this is what I do. I have a standing prayer team praying for me 1 week every month. These are things. So these are things I believe in. So do you think that me sitting here say me will scar mean to me security drama? I saw it down, I saw that there uncountable. So here, see, I saw it down there. I was here, and let me tell you, religion is part of our culture.
Yeah.
But how serious you take religion, and my whole lifestyle, it me go. But so go to most Muslim houses. Kremboni onye sika no nya no osini fie wi a osimasrache wo. That is their belief. And if you build it, on blessing I will more. Yeah. Christians no say na ye yi sika ni nyina na yakosi asori few. Nobody comes to build it for us. So these are some of the things. But as on mine, baby na ye jina, any anamobi insembia kikabia na ye kabio politics is part. Religion is different from politics. Okay. Even though we have religious politics, but with the polarized foundation, na some kind of deception is some kind of and when a certain things become problematic. But to build a cathedral himself from the biblical days to date, but in same be no ma be I may have my own reservation. But I've told you, my culture, some me call Methodist. Yeah. Me to Takoma Methodist, Bana. Me call Pentecost. Me to Highlander, Twitter Highlander. V6 Emma Pentecost pastor. They say why do I do those things? Because the impact of religion in my consistency is massive. Okay. And now, what they are not so tuncha. They na Emma yenko yenim ni nyinaye because bana people were thinking oh bana for the oma bin power.
They say true.
Ya bin pa na obin wi anyeshi na obeshi.
Aso ko nya position man for crack kan. Aso so ko rem. Mun ni Ahmed. Wa ko bi ma se joma ma din.
Akwesi ubia so shi na obeshi. Now she we alive be the womb.
So this one is from 2P. Send my greetings to Honorable Minister Ahmed Ibrahim. Say we love him, we cherish him. 2 p.m. from Asante, Mampo. Oh, the baby that say. Send the holiday so. Oje bre. ebe kan in fact one more information papa ese mo krom ye beto akoso di komo
yes but akwasi mesre say ade baako baby ye dru no Ghana for enya abotre man na cathedral sensem no me ne asofo no ye ntwetwe nkomo okay sometimes when me share oma the way I feel and I wish every Ghanaian will feel like that one apostle professor Pokonyina watra 70 years ago but me sofo no bachelor on sin tobacco say wo di Adom FM we Adom TV we ma professor Pokonyina say onye no ya no say ade no enye kura na onya yo gi say oye ni ye
but as we did akwasi si ala say come na wo
Ibrahim
Ahmed Ibrahim
for
local government minister chieftaincy and religious affairs what na head out for the say the Shabakra